The hope that works. Living between brokenness and wholeness. There's a scene I want you to picture. Maybe you've been there, emotionally, if not physically. You're sitting at your desk, staring at a full inbox, your calendar packed, heart pounding with stress. You're trying to do your best, lead well, love well, and keep it all together. But underneath the grind, there's a low hum of weariness, of wondering if the pressure will ever ease, if the pain in your life or business will ever let up. And then, into that noise, Scripture speaks. He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death or mourning or crying or pain, for the old order of things has passed away. Revelation 21:4. This isn't a poetic band-aid. It's a concrete promise. It's a holy interruption. Let's talk about what it means to live and lead between the now and the not yet. When the world breaks you, but God holds you. The context of Revelation 21 is a vision given to John, exiled, isolated, and likely exhausted. This is a man writing from the cracks of a fractured world. He's not sending a postcard from paradise. He's testifying to the reality of what will be while standing knee-deep in what is. And in that moment, he sees something breathtaking. The old order of things, sin, sickness, sorrow, is being dismantled. Not improved, not managed, erased. As modern people, we live in a world system designed to grind us down. It tells us we are what we produce, what we post, or what others perceive. That system, the old order, is efficient, profitable, and soul-crushing. But God doesn't call you to thrive within that broken system. He calls you to build differently. What heaven reveals about how we work today. Too often, we split our lives in half. Faith over here, work over there. Devotion on Sunday, deadlines on Monday. But Revelation 21:4 reminds us that eternal realities have earthly relevance. When you know where the story ends, you lead with different priorities. You communicate with more compassion. You serve your clients, team, or community, not as a task, but as a sacred trust. What does it look like to do business in light of the no mores? No more death, so you nurture life in your workplace. No more mourning, so you create space for healing and honesty. No more crying, so you listen better and lead softer. No more pain, so you resist toxic patterns and embrace redemptive ones. This is not sentimentalism. It's strategic spirituality. If you're a builder of teams, businesses, systems, or relationships, your role isn't just to manage operations. Your calling is to model restoration. The tension. Living in the so for now. So for now, we join Jesus in praying. Your kingdom come, your will be done. That so for now might be the most honest phrase in all of discipleship. You live in the world of investor pitches and budget cuts, of unexpected layoffs and unresolved trauma, of Sunday inspiration and Tuesday anxiety. That's your so for now. But here's the truth. Your for now is not forever. And while you're waiting, God's not passive. He's partnering. He invites you to be a kingdom ambassador, embodying glimpses of heaven even while the ground still feels like hell. Faith at work. More than a phrase. Let me say something directly to your professional world. Your workplace is not spiritually neutral. Whether you run a company, lead a team, create content, or work in customer service, your presence carries kingdom DNA. The way you navigate stress, respond to conflict, and pursue excellence all point somewhere. So what if every meeting was a chance to reflect the peace of the new earth? What if every hard decision were filtered through this question? Will this bring life, or will this repeat the old order? You don't have to preach to lead spiritually. You don't need a cross on your logo to carry the cross in your culture. But you do need to know who you are and whose you are. Anchor points for the road ahead. Here are a few truths to tether yourself to as you journey forward. Truths from today's scripture and your devotional reflection. God sees your tears and intends to wipe them away. This is intimacy, not abstraction. He knows your struggle and is not distant from it. Your pain is temporary, but your purpose is eternal. Let that redefine how you show up in the boardroom, the classroom, or the kitchen. The old order is passing away, but the new is being built through you. That's weighty. That's wonderful. Every faithful act is a glimpse of heaven. Whether you're designing a product, managing a crisis, or mentoring a team, it matters. Final words from the quiet place. If there's one challenge I leave you with today, it's this. Live like the promise is true. Let Revelation 21:4 shape your conversations, your calendar, and your calling. When you feel weary, remember, you're not just surviving this life, you're previewing the next one. The tears you cry now, they're seen, they're sacred, and one day, there'll be no more. Until then, keep building what matters. Pause, breathe, ask, what part of my world needs a glimpse of the new earth today?